Right, this is the next job we're starting next week. I've just put the carpet protector down ready. Save us a bit of time on Monday. And basically what we're doing here is a complete rip out. All the tiles are coming off. The ceiling panels are coming out. I'm going to put a new ceiling in. Basin and toilets coming out. It's going to be a new radiator. So we'll be fixing, just here is going to be a 1200 by 700 shower enclosure with a sliding door and a side panel here. In the corner here there'll be a 2 metre tall floor standing unit. There's going to be a combination sink and toilet unit being fitted here. New flooring. There's going to be a new chrome radiator and everything will be retiled, and we're going to fit 2 new ceiling lights in, flush to the ceiling. New thermostatic shower valve will be going just there. So yeah, looking forward to it. See you next week.